Hi, I'm James Lamont, Fellow at the Vadine Center for Rural Economic Development at the University of Minnesota Crookston. Today, we're going to talk about the AI revolution in the food supply chain. We've already done a number of episodes in the series as it pertains to AI, farming, production, and transportation. However, we haven't looked at it from the aggregate level as far as how artificial intelligence can support the food supply chain to make it more efficient, optimize movements, and feed more people. AI enhances food production by improving demand forecasting. Basically, you can upload millions of pieces of information, and within seconds, you will have an optimized model concerning what the demand in certain regions of the country, the world, et cetera, are likely to entail. Machine learning optimizes inventory management and reduces waste. It's consistently learning from our human mistakes, as well as leveraging other people's mistakes and algorithms to determine the most optimized and efficient manner to handle product. AI systems also ensure faster and more accurate food delivery from a logistics perspective. And automation streamlines safety tracking, ensuring compliance with regulations, et cetera. Good example would be RFI and intermodal, where from point A to point B, from B to C, C to D, E to F, everything is tracked with 100% accuracy in real time throughout the process, and you have identity preservation. Artificial intelligence also supports vendor management. So if your vendors have issues, perhaps some data from them can help optimize the delivery to the vendor. Customer service, same thing. If there's a challenge, perhaps some of the algorithms can work through the challenge, leveraging data from both sides of the transaction. From a warehouse management perspective, we've seen artificial intelligence move Walmart and other major organizations into very competitive positions over the last several decades. From an inventory management perspective, it's effectively the same thing, ensuring that there's adequate inventory at the right place, the right time, leveraging the right goods and services, and then ensuring that people, as well as other attributes of the organization, are effectively managed, whether it's a capital resource or a human resource. So what are the major benefits associated to the food supply chain? As I mentioned earlier, having traceability from farm to table is a major attribute, especially in Western cultures where we tend to like organic foods, or we like to know the story associated with the small farm. It reduces food spoilage because of temperature and refrigerated monitoring throughout the transportation process. Supports sustainability by identifying many of the inefficiencies that typically create waste. And then it enhances customer satisfaction due to the produce availability as well as the freshness associated with that particular food. I'd like to thank you for joining me today. As I mentioned, we've done a lot on artificial intelligence at the farm. Now we're talking about how it moves farming products throughout the supply chain vertical. Thank you for joining me.